guys, we are making mutton curry kofta, and we should take mutton keema, tomato, coriander leaves, fry onion, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, turmeric powder, oil, salt. Take half keema. Put fry onion. And put red chili powder. Put ginger garlic paste. Add salt. Add garam masala. Grind these all ingredients. These all ingredients are grinded. Mix this grinded keema with half keema. Mix well. We should do ball with keema like this. Now I should do like this ball. Add tomato. Add coriander leaves. Grind these ingredients. Grind these all ingredients. It's grinded our ingredient. Add oil. Add onion. Stir it. Put red chili powder. Put garam masala. Stir it. Add grinded ingredients. This one we grinded. Stir it. Add ginger garlic paste. Add salt. Stir it. Add turmeric powder. And stir it. Add little bit water. Wait till it boiled. After boiling, reduce the gas and put keema balls. After 3 whistles, it's ready our keema curry Keema curry kofta. Now it is ready our mutton curry kofta to eat. And finally add the coriander leaves. If you like the mutton curry kofta and the video, like, subscribe, share, comment. And thank you for watching this video.